Did you know something like this and this could help you save money for an emergency fund? All you have to do is join me in this 52-week savings challenge where we're saving small amounts of money, $10, $20, with rolls of quarters to save money for an emergency fund. We want to have money to tap in when emergency comes. Okay, so just join me and this will really help you save money for an emergency fund. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund, which is very important to have because we want to have money to tap into when emergency comes. I am running into more and more people that are not saving money for an emergency fund. They're working, they're making money, but they're not saving money for emergency. That's the way I used to be. I didn't even have a mind to save money for emergency. So that's why I'm here to encourage and motivate someone to start saving money for emergency if they're not. Now these videos are not geared towards building wealth, saving money to build wealth. We want to build wealth, yes, because we want to be financially free. But this will not get you financially free. But what this will do, when we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. We have to be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Constantly adding to it and disciplined by not spending it like going shopping and buying things we don't need. We have to have good behavior with money. We need to live on less than what we make, watch our spending, staying out of this, and that will help us to save money for emergencies. That way you won't have to go out and get one of these. Let's card. One of these, one of this, one of this, and run up a bunch of these. Okay? You want to stay out of this and this because it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Okay? Now, this is good. If this is something that's going to make you passive income, it's okay to get into this. Okay? All right. Now, and also it will help if you pay off this. Okay? That can help you to build wealth and be financially free. And if you pay off this, that can help you to build wealth and be financially free. Okay? Now, this is a great savings challenge. If this is your situation, or this is your situation, because like I said, we're taking small amounts of money every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, and it's adding up over time. We don't want to be in this situation when emergency comes. And also, if this is your situation, this is a great savings challenge. But what you want to do if this is your situation, create multiple streams of income. Have more than one stream of income because you never know what's going to happen to the one you have. You want to have more than one. That way you can still tap into some money. Okay? And also, we want to save at least $1,000, and that way that'll cover emergency up to $1,000. Okay, and so for this particular savings challenge, you need some kind of container and this 2 rows of quarters, $10, $20. I don't know what's wrong with me this morning. Okay, and this is a money bag, and that's what I call this savings challenge, my money bag savings challenge. Okay, now you can go on eBay, and I think it was Etsy, yeah, and put in the search money bag, mint money bag that holds quarters, something like that. And this was $24.99 on eBay. Okay, but if you don't want to do that, you don't want to spend no money, find some kind of container, and every time you go to the bank, when you go to the teller, give them $20 and say, may I have 2 rows of quarters? And then you can start adding to here. Okay? All right. We don't want to be in this situation when emergency comes. Okay? All right. Yeah. And another thing, make sure you go shopping, grocery shopping, and buy food and meal prep. That will also help too. And if you're a person that likes to drink this coffee, there's nothing wrong with that. But you can make your own, and you will have more coffee and spend less money. Okay? All right. So we're going to go ahead and count and see how much you that have been following me with this particular savings challenge have saved. Okay? All right. And then we're going to add those 2 rows of quarters. Okay, now I have another bowl back here. I think I'll go ahead and, pull for this one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's $100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. That's $200. Come on, going up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's $300. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That's $400. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That's $500. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Did I say 500? Okay, yeah, that's $600. Yeah. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's $700. Oh. Okay. It's getting heavy. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's $800. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, we're adding those 2 rows. So that's $860. Okay, this is not my favorite part, picking this thing up. Okay, let's see if we can get this. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Woo. Man. Man. All right. Got it. Okay, so let's go ahead and record. All right. So today is Thursday, August 21st, and this is our money bag savings challenge. We added $20 and the total amount is $860. So that means we have to save $140 more for it to be $1,000. Now, this is a 52-week savings challenge and we're on week number 34. Okay? All right. But now this is going to be completed before the end of 2025 because this one actually was started over from last year in November. So 52 weeks from November will be, well, it ended in October. So it'll be around the end of October. This one will be completed. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. Drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges. Ooh, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.